Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Sienna blower motor. First, gather your essential tools like screwdrivers, a socket set, and a new blower motor. Always disconnect the vehicle's negative battery terminal for safety before starting any work. This crucial step prevents electrical shorts and ensures your well-being throughout the process, making the job much safer and smoother for you. Next, you'll need to access the blower motor, which is usually found beneath the passenger side dashboard. Carefully remove any trim panels or the glove box that might be blocking your view or access. Once you can see the motor, gently unplug its electrical connector. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips or wires. Now, unscrew the mounting bolts or release the clips that hold the old blower motor in place. Once unsecured, carefully pull the old motor straight out from its housing. With the old one removed, take your new blower motor and insert it into the housing, making sure it aligns correctly. Secure it with the bolts or clips you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new blower motor. Before fully reassembling, temporarily reconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal and test the fan speeds to ensure everything works. Once confirmed, disconnect the battery again, then reinstall all the trim panels and the glove box, securing them properly. You've successfully replaced your blower motor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.